Alright, this tutorial is going to be showing you how to use the layer mask tool. The layer mask tool is going to allow us to erase our top layer and allow that second layer to show through. So we can create levitation photos with this. You can create forced perspective images like this. But first thing you're going to need to do is go to File, Scripts, and load files into Stack. So this is going to put both of our files on the same project, and it's going to put them on top of each other so we can erase that top layer and make the second layer show through. The next important step, and this is a step you should do before bringing your files into the computer, is you're going to need two images. One image is just going to be of the background. So my image of the background is right here. The second image is going to be the same. The camera's not going to move at all. Make sure the camera's not moving, because if the camera moves, it'll make this project harder. But you're just going to add the item that you'll be erasing or partially erasing. So for this assignment, I'm going to be erasing the computer screen so that it looks like through the computer screen is the background. And you guys will see what I mean by that in just a second. But the most important thing to get out of this part is just that your photos are in the exact same spot, they're in the same focus, and your camera hasn't moved. So select the two images you guys need, then go ahead and click Open and OK. And this will take a minute or so while it just processes and figures out everything. Alright, so now my files are in a stack. The file that is on top should be the file with the item, so I'm going to drag my computer file on top. And as we erase this, you can see the background is right behind it with really nothing moving behind it. Click on your top layer, and then you're going to add a layer mask. So a layer mask is the piece of paper at the bottom with a hole straight through the middle. And you can add a layer mask by just clicking. Clicking will add this white box next to your upper layer. So this white box should be on whatever layer you're going to be erasing. Now to erase, you're going to go to your paintbrush tool, and you're going to make sure that your paintbrush is in the black ink setting. The black ink will allow us to erase. When you have a layer mask, black becomes an eraser, which will allow us to erase this layer and show the layer behind it. So same thing with any of your settings. You can change the hardness, you can change the size, you can change your type of brush. I'm going to use hardness at 100%, and my size is going to be 108. And I'm just going to start erasing, which will allow the background to show through. When you guys start getting close to the edges, you can do Command+, which will zoom you in so that you can get right up to that line. Which will bring that window through. And if you mess up, just Command Z, which will bring it back. Same thing with this one. When you're going, do little spurts. Don't try and do it all at once, because if you mess up, you'll have to start all over again. So click, let go, click, let go. Just do little bits at a time. It will save you time in the long run doing this so that you don't have to start over from the very beginning. All right, and I'm going to allow you guys to finish this up. It might take me a little bit of time, but I'm going to allow you guys to finish that up. When you're done, please submit to Google Classroom.